My name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is from our fight training. It's two-man tendon and bone development sets. We're going to do the first 3 exercises. This is great for your fight conditioning and body development. But before we go there, I need you to go to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
So in 3-star hit, we're going to hold a tight, closed fist. We're going to block low, high, and low. So we face each other. We start low, high, low, low, high, low, and continue. That's good. Okay, next one is called 10 count. We're going to hit inside and outside the front of the wrist. So we got low is 1, 2 backhand, 3, 4. High inside, circle, high outside, high inside, circle, high outside. We step through and behind. So our count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll go through it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and okay, our third exercise is 2-star with a kick. It's done crossed legs. So we line up cross leg. The first star low hit, second star high hit, and then we kick, step down, and then we reset. Low hit, high hit, kick, step down, reset. Low hit, high hit, kick, switch legs. Low hit, high hit, kick, switch legs. Low hit, high hit, kick, switch legs. Last one, low hit, high hit, kick.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.